Hey guys, this is Chris and it's time for a flash contest. The prize is $200 paid via PayPal for a granola packaging. That's a cereal packaging. Now you have to use this specific template. You can use any image of cereal or the granola in this design. I'm gonna replace it with a real one. So I'm talking about this specific part if you plan on using such a thing. Now on the left side, you're gonna have the front of the packaging. So that's the front, it's this part here. On the right side, you're gonna have the back of the bag. And in the middle, this is gonna be the bottom part. You have the guideline here, just in case you have any questions about it. Please note that this has a zipper, so you can't put graphics all over the place. You have to make sure that you read about the guideline. Now, here's what else you need to know. This is an actual product that I plan on launching for my company Overs.ro. I'm gonna have 3 flavors in total. I'm gonna share all the details in writing. What's great is that I'm gonna order a printing test, so this means we get to see our designs printed on actual paper in about 10 days or so. Now the deadline is short, so please don't waste any time. I'm gonna award the prize, $200, if I'm gonna use your design or a good part of it. If it's nice, but I'm not gonna use it for whatever reason, I'm gonna give you $25 for your work. Please send the PNG to my email. And it's best you use a mock-up like this one here. But the actual work must be done in this template. Okay, now please be aware that it's really important that this contest is only for my students that have bought at least 2 of my courses on Udemy before this contest. If the winner doesn't have 2 of my courses before this contest, he's gonna get eliminated. Thank you, and again, please read all the details carefully, and remember, it's for Overs.ro, so it has to look the part. It has to be in line with my current branding. Thank you.